Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is AntaneshiaJay. Today I'm going to be starting a new series on my channel. It's going to be called Adulting 101. This is where I'm going to be giving like my personal advice on what I've been going through and experiencing, from finances to things you should have, to things you should do, to things you should know. For today's video of this series, it is going to be 5 things that you need. And before I get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what else y'all would like to see. Join the family and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need as an adult is a budget book. You can call it whatever you like, but I call mine a budget book. This is where I track all of my bills. I put all of my income information in here. I keep track of everything. I come up with a yearly goal when it comes to my finances. I keep track of everything, like my spending. Keep it all in here. I'm not going to show y'all because it's kind of personal, but I will definitely be making a video about Adulting 101 finances. So stay tuned for that one. The goal with this is being able to live on your own, being able to handle your own money. And that's on financial literacy. But for a little overview, I have in here my car loans. That is my student loans. It could be a phone that you're not done paying off. It could be something that got on your credit a long time ago. All that kind of stuff, that's in here. I have my bills and how much they are and when they are due. I also have a budget chart. I can show y'all this. So this is basically how I figure out how much I need to be spending, what I need to be saving, and all that jazz. Like I said, I will be making a separate video getting into more detail about this, so stay tuned. Then I have a timeline for when I want things to get paid off, and then I have my little 5-year plan of where I see myself in 5 years. So budget book, you need one, get one, make one. You can even put it on an app. There are apps for that. You don't need to put it in a book. You can have it in your phone. You can have it in your notes. You just need some kind of system. Okay, item number 2 is a toolbox. I know you are probably thinking, I'm a girl, I don't really need one. You'd be surprised because it's a lot of things that are around the house that could get broken, that you need fixed. Especially if you're renting, last thing you want to do is move out and a cabinet is ripped off. I'm saying it because I have a cabinet ripped off. But I plan on fixing it with this, okay? Like, I want my deposit back. But yeah, having a toolbox, you have things like a power drill and a hammer. Like I said, you may need to fix something. But even if you feel like you probably don't need all of that, I got this little set from Walmart. It has a whole bunch of little tools and everything else inside of it, and it comes with a little drill too, like a little hand twist drill. You don't always need a big box, but you can always at the least need these. If you have ever worked at Walmart, you know exactly what this is. You know you have probably like 5 of them sitting around hiding somewhere in your house, but this is also a box cutter for moving, for when you get packages. This comes in handy too, and I also have some Gorilla Glue. So yeah, you definitely need a toolbox for your everyday, anything that happens. Alright, item number 3 is a first aid kit. It's a little bootleg, but it gets the job done, I promise. Okay, so in here I have some alcohol, band-aids, all of the different kind of wraps, because you never know when you might accidentally cut yourself. I'm clumsy. My husband accidentally stabbed himself with a needle trying to do something. A first aid kit really comes in handy, so you definitely need one of these. If you don't get nothing else, at least get a first aid kit. 4th item, you need a iron or a steamer, whichever, okay? Last thing you want to do is be getting ready to go somewhere and your shirt is wrinkled like crazy, okay? You don't want to do like I did in college. We didn't have an iron, so I used my flat iron for my hair to flatten and iron my shirt. Like, I had the shirt on a hanger and I'm going over it with my flat iron like this, trying to get the wrinkles out, okay? You need something to get those wrinkles out, because last thing you want to do is be going anywhere with wrinkles all over your shirt. Okay, now my 5th and final object, it's optional. It all depends on if you do it or not, but it is a wine opener. You have no idea how many times I've gotten a bottle of wine and I'm like, don't have anything to open it with. So now I'm looking up ways to try to figure out how to open it. I'm either getting a knife trying to pluck it out and just end up tearing it, and now I'm just stuck with no wine, or pieces of the cork all inside of the bottle. Or I'm looking up ways on how to get the cork to pop out, so I'm holding a lighter on the side of the doggone bottle trying to have it pop open. You need one of these. This one that I have, it's not the simple one. You put it in like this, you twist it down, you put this right on the rim, and you pop it up. My sixth item, or my little bonus item, it is self home protection. Like whether it is a bat, a gun, a doggone machete, it does not matter. You need something to protect yourself, okay? Especially if you're living by yourself and you're home alone. Last thing you want to do is hear a weird noise and all you can do is hide under your blanket, because you have nothing. All you have is these. Like, not saying that's not good enough, but sometimes you need a little something extra, okay? Have some self-protection, okay? You have the right to defend yourself if anybody comes into your property, okay? In your home, your anything, you have the right to defend yourself. So get some protection. Okay, y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. I hope it was helpful to you in some kind of way. Like I said, more of these kind of videos will be coming soon. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join the family. Comment below and let me know what are some things that y'all would like to know about Adulting 101. I may just have an answer for you. So comment below and let me know what y'all would like to see, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.